Hello, this is my autobiography. My name is Carlos Bencomo. I was born in Chihuahua on May 6, 1994. I am from a small family. I only live with my mom. In 1996, we came to live in Chihuahua. I had a very beautiful childhood, full of love and lots of fun. When I was little, I played a lot of video games. I ran a lot and leaked to climb hills. We had Husa River, Chihuahua, when I met my two grandfriends, David and Luis, who was still see today. When I was growing up, I was interested in the world's topic of technology, and that while made the decision to get into electronics in middle school and high school. And sometime before I went on to university, I am learning about a career in mechatronic, and that's why I made the decision to go to tech. Before I know, it is complicated race. We host yesterday and reserved the title of super technical. I am very happy about this.